When a technology law passes, we picture the hardware. We assume regulations focus on servers, code limits, and the physical architecture of machines. But the European Union identified a more immediate risk: the deployment of autonomous systems without verifying the competence of the people managing them. Before satisfying the engineering requirements of the AI Act, companies must meet a specific human standard. Under Article 4, organizations are legally mandated to ensure AI literacy. This mandate is active today, a part of the European legal landscape since February 2, 2025. For any organization currently using artificial intelligence, this is an immediate operational requirement rather than a future goal. The regulation prioritizes the operator over the algorithm. Compliance begins with the person sitting at the terminal, not the code running in the background. The law identifies two primary groups responsible for this literacy. You have the providers who build the models, and the deployers, the organizations using those models for professional work. Both groups are responsible for their teams. Whether you are coding the software or simply using it, you must ensure your staff and contractors possess a sufficient level of AI literacy. Sufficient is not a one-size-fits-all metric. There is no specific degree required, and there is no standardized corporate exam that automatically satisfies an inspector. Instead, literacy requirements scale based on proportionality. The level of training must match the employee's technical role, the specific context of the work, and the people those AI decisions will affect. This forces organizations to evaluate the actual risk of every position. The goal is tailored competence, not a generic training certificate for the entire payroll. To define what that competence looks like in practice, we turn to Recital 20, which outlines the specific components of a literate workforce. The primary tool for satisfying Article 4 is a formal AI use policy, or an AI charter. This policy defines which tools are permitted, exactly who is authorized to use them, and the specific training modules required for each level of access. By formalizing these rules, you transform a vague legal ditty into a clear, auditable process that satisfies the transparency requirements of the AI Act. The AI Charter is the definitive proof of your organization's diligence. It provides the documentation needed to verify that your staff is qualified, shifting the legal focus from potential liability to proven compliance.